Hi, Michael here. We're watching uh, Black Clover episode 3, by the way. But I'm watching some funny videos, so yeah, that's why I'm laughing. Just give me a second. So, last episode I didn't learn shit, which was kind of disappointing. But this episode, hopefully, they will give us a breakdown, like how does the Black Clover works, or the Black Grimoire. I have about an hour. I wanted to do 2 episodes, but I'm only gonna do one. Just so that I can break it down a little bit better. And I don't really have big audience that demands 2 episodes, 2 episodes, 2 episodes. And I want to keep the videos a bit shorter as well. For people that watch it and don't really have the patience to watch the whole thing. Which I understand, like, it's boring to kind of watch because there's no audio of the episode, and I sometimes get quiet because because I'm watching the thing, so I don't really want to talk all the time, and I don't really cut out the quiet parts. But I think it's only Black Clover that has problem with the audio, because if you watch like Hunter x Hunter, you don't really need to cut it out. Or maybe I'll try to watch like older episodes, older animes, and they shouldn't really have the same problem as this one. But I'll see. Because I'm trying to educate myself about these copyright issues, and yeah, the thing is you cannot have audio. But that's it. That's a simple explanation. Well, anyway, I'm gonna watch the 3rd episode, and I'm expecting big things, like always. But I usually get disappointed, so yeah. 3, 2, 1, go. TV Tokyo. Why is the whole village suddenly burning? This is episode 3. Oh, that's the big demon. Okay, shooting atom bombs and particle accelerators. Now here's the here's the Magician King. I wonder if magic works on like a mana system. Because in that case, there's no way that he has more mana than the demon in front of him. Apparently he doesn't speak as well. Rasengan! No? But that could not have been the demon. Okay, I thought the skull was like the size of the whole mountain. But it's probably really, really close. Why is there always like a creepy guy like that? Can you just not straight up? Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Okay, so I have the openings, you don't. I have nothing to drink. So is Asda. Is Asta not going to have Magic Adult then? But he has a grimoire. Do, 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 do. It's kind of a weird design on everything. Wait. Okay, it's probably just me. Again? What is he doing? Is he making it blunt? And who's this? But like Yuna is broken as hell. Does he not have any physical abilities? Like he cannot just stand still. Okay. Of course, you got the black one. With those start disciples. He doesn't have the black hair anymore. Where did his black hair go? It was like black and white stripes. Okay. But how can he pass the exams if he doesn't have any magic? Here we go. So it is like the pact with demon. Pact with a demon. Okay, so he got lots of physical ability as well. This is the thing. That's all you have to do, and Asta is done. just lift him into the air. The magic is so overpowered. He has no place in this world if he doesn't have magic. Oh, the demon himself. What is he banging it into now? Is he making it dull? Exactly. Ah, yes, you can. Ah, he's too ambitious. Break it. No, not the rock, the sword. Look at my sexy back. Is that what you do to calm the chill? What's going on? So they basically eat potatoes all the time. What the hell is wrong with her neck? That shading looks so bad. It looks like she has like a beard or something. She looks insanely powerful, by the way. She looks like she can take the whole fucking world. What's with the giraffe? Was that a pudding? And how come they got all the fancy clothes and all the other orphans get nothing? They get like shirt and pants and that's it. Well, his clothes is ripped off as well. But look at he got all the belts and everything. Sister got golden necklace. Okay, so he got black hair when he was younger. Okay. That's a weak joke. Maybe I watched too many animes by this time. Hmm. So healing magic doesn't really work. Or maybe she's just not good at it. Did the necklace get smaller? Um, What was the whole point? Okay. So he pulls that sword out of his grimoire. This is what I'm talking about. Like, you cannot compare it to a magic user. But we'll see. We'll see. He's the main character, I guess. Still drinking that shit. Okay, so episode 3, nothing happened. My apologies. So, that was the end of episode 3. And nothing happened. Well, one guy kept bashing the sword into a wall. The other guy trained magic. And then they ate potatoes. And then they went for the exam. That's it. End of the episode. But it was okay, I guess. But I still don't get it. Why doesn't he have any magic? I was thinking about it might be because of the juice he's drinking. But that's stupid. No, it has to be explained, like, what is blocking him? Must be like a curse on him or something. Maybe they're both cursed, but where's the medallion? So it kind of unlock him to the power of magic. Who knows? I have to watch more. So yeah, there's not gonna be any sound. Actually, you already know that since you watched the episode. But yeah, I'm gonna try to watch. How you call that thing? It's like a new anime now, and everybody's crazy about it. So I'm gonna watch that, and I'm gonna cut it exactly like everybody else does, and we'll see if it gets copyrighted or not. If yes, I don't know what's happening. If not, whatever. And I'm also gonna try. There has to be some anime that doesn't have like copyright issues. But we'll see. We'll see. Anyway, thanks for watching. And I'll see you again. Not gonna say tomorrow, but next time. Right? Adios.